Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Quranic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will just go through the whole alphabet once because we have completed individual letters. So we'll just read it out, all of it, and then the following session just 10 times to give you more practice, because the more you practice, the better you will become. So you can repeat after me. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamzah, Ya, Ya. So this is the end of this session. In next session we will practice this 10 times just to give you more practice. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.